Hello everyone, I am Srijit Mahato.
And I'm Anna Sridhar. We are young innovators representing Team SkySense. We are extremely excited to participate in the Codever 7.0 international competition under the theme. Today, we want to talk about a hidden problem above our heads, our climate data. When it comes to weather monitoring, we rely on traditional weather stations that are fixed to the ground or weather balloons that are incredibly expensive and non reusable. What about high end industrial drones or satellite imaging? They cost a lot.
This creates a massive data gap in the lower atmosphere. This exact area is where the most crucial human activities and farming happens. How can farmers protect their crops or authorities make climate decisions if they only measure the weather at their feet?
To bridge this gap, we created Atmos Probe. It is a reusable, IoT enabled aerial platform that transforms a standard quadcopter into a scientific mobile weather station.
Unlike ground stations, our drone measures data as it climbs. It captures a complete vertical profile of the atmosphere. And the best part, it democratizes climate tech. We have created a professional grade research tool at less than 1% of the cost of an industrial drone.
Let's look at our live demonstration. As the Atmos probe takes off and begins its vertical ascent, our onboard sensors continuously sample the environment.
Here on our custom digital dashboard, we can see zero delay environmental monitoring. While traditional probes require manual data recovery, our ESP32 chip is streaming live temperature, humidity, AQI, and light levels directly to the cloud in real time.
Let's look under the hood. The brain of our multisensory data capture is an ESP32. Connected to it are our temperature, humidity, AQI, and LDR sensors.
Our wireless capabilities, we integrated an ESP32 module in our code, which we have written efficiently to handle rapid data transfer. The ESP32 collects the raw sensor data, processes it, and pushes it instantly to our IoT cloud server.
The future scope for Atmos Probe is massive. It provides hyperlocal intelligence, meaning farmers and local authorities can make critical decisions based on their specific microclimate rather than broad, inaccurate, citywide forecasts.
We want to give a huge thank you to Codewear 7 for giving us this incredible platform to showcase our ideas.